Israel said that Russia is going to pay the price for supporting terrorists against Israel. Things are happening. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Barnabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Things are really happening all over the world as we talk right now. No be smart, you know. One Israel army don't come aside for the interview where they do am say that the Russia go pay the price since we be say then they support terrorists against Israel. I will go leave the video for you, may you watch, and before we come back and proceed. They say that some volunteer supporters will come to support Israel against the invasion of Hamas terrorists. So he said they don't finally arrive for Israel. The volunteers will come to support them, and even some people say can they bring them food. Don't be smart, no. The military are celebrating how the people are showing them love. We are going to play every video for you here to watch. But first, let's go and watch this one where this man is saying that Russia is going to pay the price. Let's watch the video together.
But you have to be very careful, because let me tell you, we're going to finish this war. We're going to win because we're stronger. After this, Russia will pay the price. Believe me, Russia will pay the price. Russia is supporting the enemies of Israel. Russia is supporting Nazi people who want to commit genocide on us. And just Russia will pay the price. Russia also. Now listen to me very carefully. We are going to finish with these Nazis. We're going to win this war. It's going to take the time it's going to take, but we're going to win this war. Afterwards, we're not forgetting what you are doing. We're not forgetting. We will come. We will make sure that Ukraine wins. We will make sure that you pay the price for what you have done. You as Russia. And you and as all the enemies of Israel. And you as all the people who are now making everything they can to support genocide of the Jews in Israel. We are not forgetting. We are not forgetting. Remember exactly what I'm saying now. You will pay the price.
Amir, I think it's safe to say that this is a very passionate conflict that is happening here.
Well, people have been massacred. My people has been slaughtered by your proxies, and you will pay the price. Is it clear? Believe me, you will
I don't actually think it is clear.
Very, very, very sternly.
I don't think it is clear, Mr. Weidmann, and I would suggest
well, then it should be
in the
clear.
future,
it should be clear.
As being a politician,
it should be clear to you, because you have to understand that actions have got consequences. And when people support murder of Jews, people pay the price. This is true in Gaza. This is true everywhere else. The time that Jews actually have no power to defend themselves is gone. And people will now have to bear the consequences of them supporting genocidal Nazis who are out to exterminate Jews. What we have seen 10 days ago is not something normal. We have seen these Nazis going out, massacring people in the streets, babies, beheading them, older people, women, raping, all these things. You've seen them with your eyes. How can you even dare to support the murderers? I tell you frankly, the public opinion in Israel has changed. We are not now where we were 10 days ago.
Hey guys, it is the Unity Warriors crew and my head. And we are here with the heroes and warriors of Israel. Guys, say hi to the world. As you can see, we are here serving the heroes because that's what our heroes deserve. We have volunteers. Raise your hand, volunteers. All of you volunteers that have come just to serve the warriors and heroes. And they just wanted to tell you how grateful they are and how much they love you. All right, guys, listen, we want you to eat your barbecue. Lift it up. Come on, it's time to eat and chow down. We got the burgers and dogs and wings and everything they need. We're in an undisclosed location. Our enemy, what we do give help to is our friends and brothers and sisters. I want you to see them from up close. Give me a second. Say hey, Dad. Hey, son. Guys, you guys have to understand, everybody watching this all over the world, they love you, they respect you, and they want you to have peace, and they want you to fight like lions. They support you implicitly in all of your efforts to destroy Hamas and to protect the nation of Israel. Kol hakavod lachem. We really appreciate you. Hold on one second. I want to talk to you guys that are here now helping. Can you just tell me what y'all are doing here? How'd you even get here? Come on, quickly, together. It's fine.
I got here because, you know, we were helping Unity Warriors out on the border, up north, south.
What were you doing up on the border with Unity Warriors?
Delivering medical supplies and warm clothes and stuff for the soldiers up north and down
So
south.
the donations people are giving are doing what? What are they turning into?
They're turning into knee pads, they're turning into clothing, they're turning into gloves, tourniquet, cat pipe tourniquets, helmets, anything these guys need. That's what we're doing.
And you've been out there in the car. You guys are driving up a couple hours to the border.
All over the place.
And you're proud to be here, brother.
Absolutely.
And we're proud to have you here, brother. Kol hakavod. Mikey, you've been an absolutely integral part, and you guys have been cooking. Come hang out with the soldiers.
Yeah, I mean, we haven't been here so long, but these guys are amazing. Like, really, they're amazing, and they were starving, and so I'm really happy that we were able to spoil them a bit because they didn't even have breakfast. Like, when I heard they didn't have breakfast, I'm like, let's go, guys, fast, 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 fast. And look at them. They all love it. They're enjoying it, and we love them because if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be able to sleep nice
Absolutely.
at night.
Amen.
Sleep safe at night is what I mean.
Amen. And guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to read some of the comments. People are saying, Hannah saying awesome with a heart. Larry, as always, is giving a big old fist bump. Guys, give a fist bump back to Larry. He helps out a lot. Thank you. Roya is saying, hi, Ben, praying for all. May Hashem keep you safe. Barbara Ann, hello from the USA. Stephen, congrats, Ben. Maria, keep up the good work. Sending love from America. Hey, Ron Myers is also watching. Guys, I want you to hear your name connected with them. It's important. If you have a message you want them to hear, take another few seconds and send it over. The enemy calls us Zionist dogs, but this is a real Zionist dog right here. And we're going to feed you some really good meat. Maybe feed you some Hamas people. He loves it. Tastes like shawarma and goat. Anyways, guys, Alan says, we love you guys. Valderrama says, God bless the protectors of Israel. Everybody, just so you know, if you leave these messages, I don't want to keep talking over their heads. I want them to actually eat and enjoy. I'm like one of those, musicians, those bands at the Mexican restaurants that come and play in your face when you're trying to have a nice time with your date. But I am going to read your messages, all your messages to them afterwards. Imagine like you're leaving, you're writing your note, even if it's 3 hours from now, and I promise you they're going to see your message. So we love you. Look, we have Ben, I am far in Kenya, in Africa. My prayers for Israel. That's my donation. May Hashem bless and protect all of you. We dearly love you. That's Maria. Guys, you guys are amazing. Frankie, shalom, much love to you all. I'm praying for safety from Canada. Valderrama, God bless the protectors of Israel. Ron Myers, you are the best, Ben. Aww, you're making me blush. Thank you, guys. I love you all very much, and they love you. Guys, bye. Enjoy your food. Much love. Shalom, Al Yisrael. Am Yisrael Chai. We will rock it.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, the thing shocked the journalist. We ask a question. He said Russia will pay the price. He repeat that with no fear. Say Russia is gonna pay the price. You know, we all supported Russia when invaded Ukraine, and so many people say yes, they supported Russia, and some of them supported Ukraine. But sometimes the things you be doing, you think that you are getting it right, but you are getting it wrong. But however, this their issue has been there for long. So Russia is making everything possible to bring down America and all NATO down. And, you know, so doing everything possible to bring them down because you see them as a threat in their own borders, especially the ones that bordered Russia that want to join NATO. So that is why all this and so many things, and their power, their Western power in Africa as well. So Russia is doing everything to bring them down as well. So that's why they are getting more fun every day. But Israel saying Russia is going to pay the price. This one shocked me. But however, we are watching closing to see what will happen. So I want you to leave your own opinion, what you think, what this man talk, and let us know what be your own opinion concerning what he talk. Say Russia will pay the price. So I'll leave it in the comment section. Let's talk about it over there.